Hey, what's going on, guys? I thought I'd make a short video on my tools that I use in my everyday toolbox. So, I have plenty of tools laying around. My garage is a bit of a mess right now, kind of reorganizing, doing things like that. But as you can see, I have tool bags down there. Got this box, and it is my main box that I work out of. So yeah, just give you guys a short tour on my tools that I use. Starting off right on top, right here. These are probably my main tools that I always reach for. That's why I keep them in the top drawer. Right here I got a Milwaukee quarter-inch set. When you buy the set, it just comes with the deep sockets. The short ones are from Gray Pneumatic, and I purchased these separately, and I just cut, into the foam to make everything fit. So that's that. Random bits from Milwaukee also. Right here just got a few different magnets, and this is a Lyle spark tester. Back here we have some Snap-on picks and hook set. A quarter-inch ratchet, another smaller Craftsman one. A flashlight, marker, chisel. Some gear wrenches right here. Then these are also gear wrenches. These are the 6 most common sizes for the flare nut. So it's a nice little set. Over here I have my 3/8 set. This one, a Craftsman, a Titan. These are Carlisle wrenches, nothing fancy. These are my 3/8 sockets from Gray Pneumatic. It comes with the deep and the short together. It's a nice set. Some Torx sockets. These are Pittsburgh, so obviously Harbor Freight. Stubby hex. I want to say O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Triple square from Matco. And then I got some more Torx from Carlisle right there. That's it for the first drawer. Let's go right over here. And here's my power tools. As you can see, everything's Milwaukee. I have a M18 light. Here's my quarter-inch bit driver, which I just throw my sockets right on here, and I use this as my quarter-inch set. I have a drill, a rotary tool, aka Dremel, just a nice LED light, and 3/8 cordless ratchet. Just some random parts for the rotary tool, or for, these are actual Dremel small drill bits. And this drawer is mainly just for some oddball tools and a lot of my half-inch stuff. I love these two things right here. This Snap-on ratchet. This thing is massive. Then I also have a Snap-on breaker bar. Yeah, I just have a lot of extensions, drum brake tools, sockets. Both of these socket sets, which you see a lot of them are missing, they're from Harbor Freight. Oxygen sensor tools, brake tools, another brake tool, just giant wrench, inner tie rods, half-inch Craftsman wrenches, crescent wrenches, Snap-on test light. What else? These things are massive. Haven't really used them yet, but I know they'll come in handy for some, those German cars. I have a Snap-on set, 3/8 and a half-inch swivel. It's a nice set. Let's see what else. I got these three sockets. I keep them separate from everything else because these are my lug nut sockets. They're the most common ones you're gonna use. The two yellow tape is my 19 and 21, and then the one with the white tape is my 17. So yeah, and this is really just random crap stuff I don't really use too often, so I just kind of throw in here. Pry bars, respirator mask, some pneumatic grinding tools and cut off wheels, seal pullers, welding gloves, ball joint presses, ball joint removers, earplugs, pickle fork, rubber mallet. Yeah, this is a nice little set. I believe I got this from Walmart. Came in handy when I was working on a Volkswagen Beetle. Take the manifold off. Yeah, so it's just random crap in this drawer. This is screwdrivers and whatnot. Starting at the back, these are just some panel tools, to take things off of cars without damaging the paint or damaging any interior panel. Random screwdrivers from Carlisle. These two Milwaukee screwdrivers are demo screwdrivers. That's why they have the steel caps on top. Milwaukee ratcheting screwdriver, which is also a multi-bit, so it comes with all these bits on top. I have two snap-on panel tools, different head sizes, and then a torque multi-tool from Milwaukee. This one's pretty nice because you can just pull the bit out the top. You slide it in the back and it's going to push the next bit forward, so that's very nice. Cheap Harbor Freight screwdrivers. This drawer is really nothing. It's just I haven't really decided what's gonna go in there yet. That's why there's really nothing in there. Just random pliers, side cutters, wire strippers, snap ring pliers. So yeah, Milwaukee box cutter or blade, whatever you want to call it. And here I have my M18 half-inch impact gun. There's that. Milwaukee grinder. Have a few different disc and cut off wheels from Harbor Freight. Have some Sawzall blades. My noise canceling headphones from, let's see, what are these? Peltor. I know I got these from Home Depot. I want to say they were like $70, something like that. They work pretty good. And I think that's it for the toolbox tour. I mean, obviously I got tools laying everywhere, but like everything that's in here, this is all just random crap that stuff I don't really use. It's just here. So that's why I only gave you a tour of my main toolbox, because in this toolbox I know where everything's at. I know whether I have the tool or not. In this toolbox I could not name anything that's in any of the drawers because I have no idea. I just throw random crap in there. And same thing goes for that bag and the bag I have under there. So yeah, that's what's going on in my toolbox, and it's always expanding. I mean, sure, I have more things, box of just, random crap down there. And then there was more tools I keep stacked up on the shelves, more specialty type of tools. Uh, so yeah. Anyways, that's it for now. I love my tools and I try to take care of them because everyone knows tools aren't cheap. Um, so I'm always trying to expand on tools, working on cars and whatnot. It gives me an excuse to go out and buy new tools. So yeah, I was excited for that. If I ever get to a point where I get a lot more tools and I feel like I need to make another video, I'll go ahead and do that. Well, thanks for watching.